श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम।
श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम।
ओम भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः।
ओम भद्रं विश्वे कर्णं यामः।
कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः।
कर्णे विश्वयामा देवाः।
भद्रं पश्येम अक्षभिः।
भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिः।
यजत्राः
यजत्राः
स्थिरैरङ्गैः।
स्थिरैरङ्गैः।
तुष्टुवागुंसस्तनूभिः।
दृष्ट्वागुंसस्तनूभिः।
व्यसेमा देवहितं यदायुः।
यसेमा देवहितं यतायुः।
स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः।
स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धस्रवाः।
स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः।
स्वस्ति न पूषा विश्ववेदाः।
स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः।
स्वस्ति नष्टाक्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमि।
स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्ददातु।
स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्ददातु।
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
ॐ अग्ने नय सुपथाराये अस्मान्।
ॐ अग्नये सुपताराय अस्मान्।
विश्वानि देववयुनानि विद्वान्।
विश्वानि देववयुनान विद्वान्।
युयोध्यस्मज्जुहुराणमेनो।
युयोऽस्मज्जुहुरानमेनो।
भूयिष्ठां ते
भू
नममुक्तिं विधेम।
भूयिष्ठां
ते नममुक्तिं
ते नम मुक्तिं
विधेम।
विधेम।
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
ॐ आप्यायन्तु ममाङ्गानि।
ॐ आप्यायन्तु ममङ्गानि।
वाक् प्राणश्चक्षुः।
वाक्प्राणश्चक्षुः।
श्रोत्रमथो
श्रोत्रमतो
बलमिन्द्रियाणि च सर्वाणि।
बल इन्द्रियाणि च सर्वाणि।
सर्वं ब्रह्मोपनिषदम्।
सर्वं ब्रह्मम् उपनिषदम्।
माहं ब्रह्म निराकुर्याम्।
वाहं ब्रह्म निराकुर्या।
मा ब्रह्म निराकरोतु।
मामा ब्रह्म निराकरोतु।
अनिराकरणमस्तु।
अनिराकरणमस्तु।
अनिराकरणं मे अस्तु।
अनिराकरणं मे अस्तु।
तदात्मनि निरते
तदात्मानि निरते
य उपनिषत्सु धर्माः।
या उपनिषत्सु धर्मा
ते मयि सन्तु।
ते मयि सन्तु।
ते मयि सन्तु।
ते मयि सन्तु।
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
So because we are going with the Navagraha mantras, prayer to them, and what they should do for us, what we would do for them, and their anugraha, because at a time when all Vedic sacrifices have become dull and not many people are doing sacrifices, Vedic, then the Vedic gods have not their importance in circulation. Then these Navagrahas came into being, but again, when the Navagrahas came into being to influence the lifespan of the persons born on the land, not only of the persons, everything, then again some mantras connected to Vedic deities like Agni, Indra, Vayu, Surya, and all these people have been taken up. But now they are all very much powerful, and these days everything is being controlled by the 9 planets. And so we just make a prayer to the 9 planets. Please repeat one time, I mean 2 times. Suryaha Pitamaho Vyaso
Suryaha pitamaho vyaso. Suryaha pitamaho vyaso.
Vasishtho Atri Parasharaha
Vasisto atri parashaha. Vasisto
Parasharaha
parashara.
Kashyapo Narado Gargo.
Kashyapo narado garbo. Kashyapo narado garbo.
All of you, please, though you muted, keep repeating. If not, I hear the Navagraha Devatas, they will be hearing your recitation. So they can, therefore, don't keep quiet and divert yourself. Only prarthana is going on. Now I can relax until the text begins. No, this is a very important prarthana which you should by heart, and that will be useful to you. Gargo Marichihi. Gargo.
Gargo.
Gargo Marichihi.
Gargo marichihi. Gargo marichihi.
Manurangira.
Manuranjira. Manuranjira.
Lomashaha Paulasachaiva.
Lomashaha.
Lomashaha
Lomashaha. Lomashaha.
Paulasachaiva.
Paunasaschaiva. Paunasaschaiva.
Yavano Bhruguhu.
Yavano Bhruguhu. Yavano Bhruguhu.
Yavano Bhruguhu.
Yavano Bhruguhu.
Chavana Maharshi. Yavano Bhruguhu.
Yavano Bhruguhu. Yavano Bhruguhu. Gaunako. Ashtadasha. Dite. Ashtadasha dite.
Jyotishastra Pravartakaha.
Jyotish-shastra pravartaka. Jyotish-shastra pravartaka.
Namo
Namo.
Ashtadasa Jyotishastra.
Ashtadasha Jyotish-shastra. Ashtadasha Jyotish-shastra. Pravartakebhyaha.
Arogyam pradadatu no.
Arogyam prakadatu no. Dinakaraha.
Chandro yasho nirmalam.
चन्द्रो यशो निर्मलम् चन्द्रो यशो निर्मलम्
भूतिं भूमिसुतः
भूतिं भूमिसुतः भूतिं भूमिसुतः
सुधां सुतनयः
सुधां सुतनयः सुधां सुतनयः
प्रज्ञां गुरुं गौरवम्
प्रज्ञां गुरुं गौरवम् प्रज्ञां गुरुं गौरवम्
कान्यः कोमला
कान्यः कोमला कान्यः कोमला
वाग्विलासमतुलाम्
वाग्विलासमतुला वाग्विलासमतुला
मन्दोमुदं सर्वदा
बन्धो मुद्दं सर्वदा बन्धो मुद्दं सर्वदा
राहुर्बाहुबलम्
राहुर्बाहुबलम् राहुर्बाहुबलम्
विरोधशमनम्
विरोधशमनम् विरोधशमनम्
हेतुः कुलस्योन्नतिम्
केतुः कुलस्योन्नतिम् केतुः कुलस्योन्नतिम्
So now we have made a prayer to all the rishis who are all taken to be the Jyotish Shastra Pravartakas. They have set the tradition of the Jyotish Shastra, what you call as astrology, and there are 18 Maharshis beginning from Surya. Surya himself is one, or Surya Bhagavan, and from Surya, Pitamaha, Vyasa, Vasishtha, Atri, Parashara, Kashyapa, Narada, Maharshi, Garga, Marichi, Manuhu, Angira, Lomashaha, Paulashaha, Chavanaha, Yavanaha, Bhrugu, Shaunakaha. These are all 18 Jyotish Shastra Pravartakas, Maharshis, who have postulated, developed, and established the science of astrology or the science of planets. And what each planet will give us is again being mentioned here with a prayer that Dinakaraha Arogyam Pradadatu. Dinakara is Surya Bhagavan. Mukhyanga, what he should bless you? Arogyam. Because he has to give you health. If health is there, all things are possible. Activity is good. Therefore, and moreover, Surya Bhagavan is taken to be as a Arogya Vidwan. No God has been given the attribute or epithet like Arogya Vidwan, only Surya Bhagavan, because he is the monitor of entire body or entire Prakriti, etc., in seasons, time, etc. Then, because of the influence of Anugraha of Chandra, Yasho Nirmalam, Kirti, Chandra, if good, then we are going to get Yasaha, and that too Nirmalam Yasaha, which will be clean, clear, and prosperous and positive. And Bhumi Sutta is Kuja, and that Kuja, what he should give? Bhutim. Bhuti andra Aishwarya. So the Bhumi Sutta, Kuja Graha must bless us Aishwarya, and Sudham Sutanayaha Prajnam. So Sudham Sutanayaha, the son of moon, Chandra, is Buddha. So he has to give us Prajna, super awareness of knowledge, super awareness of the self, and super, everything super is called Prajna. That is called Gnana is one, Prajnana is the Praseshena Gnanam. Unless you have got that kind of higher planes of knowledge, higher frontiers of knowledge, then only you will have absolute bliss and happiness and goals being achieved. That's why Ananda Janani Durga, you call it as Ananda Janani. That is, at every level, there should be the generating of the bliss and awareness and awakeness and all that. Then Guruhu Gauravam. See, Guru Anugraha idre, there will be the Gaurava, weightage, respect, honor, etc. And Kanya Komala Vagmila Samaturam Mando Mudam Sarvada. Manda is Saneswara. What he has to give? He has to give a wonderful, soft, powerful conversational skill. Vagmi, that is your oratorical power, speech. Then Atulam. Atula is unmatchable, unique. And also, ultimately, he has to give you Mudam Sarvada. Mudam is happiness, all time he should give. Rahu Bahubalam. Rahu must give you the strength in the body, the shoulder strength. And also, he should be able to quell down the enemies, psychological, physiological, sociological, etc. Enemies are there. Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Mada, Matsarya, plus. All these are internal enemies. Also, the negativity in us. Virodha is negativity. And all that negative feeling, what is the negative feeling? Fear. That fear should go away owing to the grace of Rahu Graha. And finally, Ketuhu Kulasyonatim. That Ketu Graha, he must give you the enhancement of the pedigree or the kirti of the family in which you are born. So, Kulasyonatim. Therefore, you now come to know in nutshell what these grahas are mainly important to guide our life, to bless our life, and see that our birth and time upon the earth will be a fulfillment, because we think that time is plenty for us and we don't care the time more. But for the time management, health is important. If the health is not well, then the time will go away wastefully, unaccounted. That's why Arogyam Pradadatu Dinakaraha means Dina is the day. The day maker is Surya Bhagavan. He has to bless us Arogya. And ultimately, the Ketu Graha will have to bless us to have Kulasya Unnati. So thereby, this Navagraha Stotra, Navagraha Mantra Parayana, Navagraha Homa, Navagraha Japa, Navagraha Aradhana, etc. All these are, in other words, the Aradhana of the Vedic deities who have their established fame, name, influence, and power in the scriptures, beginning from the Rig Veda. Because all the nine planets have been given the mantras, and they're all culled from the 4 Vedas, depending on the need. And moreover, the selection of mantras given by the rishis is such that they are one of the number of mantras in a particular sukta of the Rig Veda or other Veda, but Atharva Veda, but that particular mantra is picked up like Gayatri mantra or Mrityunjaya mantra or Ganapati mantra, etc. For example, Ye Gananam Tva Ganapati Gum Havamahe. I think I told you that this is the 9th mantra of Ganesha Suktam of Rigveda, where there are 11 mantras. So you don't know what are the 8 first mantras. You don't know what are the next mantras after this. But in the tradition, Gananam Tva Ganapatigum has become very important. That's why, depending on the context and need and relevance, the mantras have been drawn from the Veda Samhitas, and they are employed, and people are getting the vibrations and benefits accordingly. And another example for you is the Gayatri mantra. You see, Gayatri mantra, Sukta is 62nd Sukta of the 3rd mandala of the Rigveda. There are 16 mantras in that 62 Sukta of 3rd mandala, Vishwamitra mandala they call it, Vishwamitra mandala, because so of all the 16, you do not know the first 9 mantras. You need not, you also do not know the next mantras, but the 10th mantra, Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi, has become the key mantra, a life-saving mantra, which is being initiated to all the Dvijas at right time, and that becomes the lifesaver all through the life. Whether whatever be the ashrama in which people go by, or the Gayatri mantra, the Satsaviturvarenyam, is a constant torchlight. It's a shock absorber. So actually, when you are doing the Gayatri Japa, the power is so great that you cannot directly accept your body, mind, and spirit. So what they do is Yajnopavitam. Yajnopavitam is the medium through which the power of Gayatri reaches the individual and makes him fortified. So our rishis are very, very careful because they're all very immense powers. And when the powers are to enter into us, we are to be very much guarding and protective all that. And another point I will tell you, you see, you should always sit some asana and do japa, puja, parayana, all religious rites. You should be able to do it. Why? Because earth and Rakshasas are, so they will take away all the puja phala, mantra japa phala. So they become stronger, you become loser. You will not get the benefit of doing japa. Therefore, you cannot sit as and how you like, but you should sit upon a asanam. Even yoga, you say sukham asanam. You have to sit in a sukha posture. And in this case, which is sukha posture, you must have some seat over which you should see, and what could be the seat, and upon which kind of seat you are sitting, and what kind of benefit you are going to get. That itself is a very big subject, and that's a separate one. But I am not going to talk about that now. Just I am introducing you to the power of the Gayatri, power of the Navagraha mantras, where almost 333 mantras for each graha has been selected. Therefore, 9 grahas, you have got 27 mantras only. But in these 27 mantras are so powerful that they rule your life as long as you live. And what is the length of life that we are granted upon this land? When you are landing either in America or India or elsewhere, right from the time you land on the ground, your horoscope starts. The watch clock starts, and then it keeps on going. Therefore, right from the birth, Jananakale. So, right from the Jananakala up to the Maranakala, the grahas have got their hold on us. Because these grahas have got hold on us, they are called grahas. Graha means cup. Graha means catch. Graha means container. So all our prosperity or calendar of life and events of life are all emboxed or cupped, I could say, into the graha, and accordingly, as and how we grow in our life, that is Balya, Kaumara, Yavana, and then Vurdhapya, etc. And four asana, we got four ashramas, four purusharthas, everything four are there. Therefore, all these four purusharthas are engaging our attention whole life. Generally, people say, "Oh, I am vacant. I have nothing to do. I am." You can never declare you are vacant. You can never declare I have nothing to do. If you do it, you are loser. That's what our people, our rishis tell. Because anasat chaiva vidyam arthancha sadhayet grihita iva keseshu mrutyuna dharmamacharet. So slowly, on installment basis, utilizing every minute, you have to be engaging in order to add to your mind, to your personality, that money or wealth or earning plus knowledge. So, but in respect of the puja, parayana, devata aradhana, etc., spiritual activity, you have to think that the Yama has come, grabbed you by your ear, and anytime he's pulling you out to leave the land, that with that kind of urgency and fear, we have to do the japam. We have to do that. So, gruhita iva keseshu mrutyuna dharmamacharet. So, we have to execute dharma, purushartha, because dharma is the foremost. So, dharma, artha, kama, moksha. See, artha, kama generate because of dharma. So, dharma is the foundation. If you neglect the dharma, the arthakamas get affected. When arthakamas affected, the moksha is also cancelled. Therefore, dharmad arthascha kamascha prabhavati. In Ramayana, Valmiki says that from dharma, arthakamas come up. When arthakamas are sufficiently, adequately acquired, then it will lead you to the pathway of moksha, moksha marga. That's what Sanidhya, Sarupya, Salokya, and etc. These are all the folds of moksha attainment. Anyway, I'm talking too much, but anyway, importance is, so Navagrahas are not important. What? No, Ganapati, Navagraha Homa, and all other homas these days. Because it is not Navagraha means all the gods again will come into the picture of our life. They only guard us, guide us, they remain as mentors. How? Buddhi rupena prachodayate. They don't appear before for us because our eyes are not capable enough to see them. If at all they come, we should require extra special spiritual eye. Something like one granted to Dhritarashtra, one granted to Arjuna, and another granted to Narada to see the Vishwarupa. And even Anjaneya also blessed Sita in other verses that he showed his Vishwarupa to only Sita Devi. He never showed his Vishwarupa to anybody because we say Panchamukha Anjaneya. Why he has Panchamukha Anjaneya means the most important powers of Narasimha, of Garuda, of all these gods, all the Panchamukhas are there, means he is embodiment of fivefold energy at one place focused. Anyway, I keep on talking. Let's go to the text, Amma. So this is how the Navagrahas are having their role, because in our horoscope, we will see 12 houses, and in each house, there are planets, some 2 planets, 3 planets, and at times 7 planets or 4 planets, I don't know. Whatever be the planetary position, and the stars at that juncture when we are born, then accordingly all our life is directed, all our professional excellence comes up, and whatever be that. So that's why the vibhuti of individuals is being dictated by the position of the planets, by the drishti of the planets in each other, by the number of, and so on. So many factors are there which we have to consider into the predictive astrology, medical astrology, electoral astrology, etc. All that cinematography astrology. So all that kind of astrological folds will come up only because of the presence of the 7 and 9, 7 plus 9, 2, 9 planets in the different positions. That's why astrology is a very wonderful subject, curriculum. It's a science. And if there is Anushtana is there, that's what they are called as Desikas. All astrologers are called Desikas. That means they are the directors, they are the UPs. They will be showing you the marga. Just if you type the address, you know the all route. So the Navagrahas are like that. Not only that, they do it, they will be prescribing and guiding you how you can periodically lead your life. Because that's why the dharma, artha, kama, mokshas are able to be fulfilled by you. And what is the length of life that we are granted? Human being is supposed to live for 120 years, because all the 9 grahas, their dasha or periods, when you add them, they come to 120. So Navagraha Dasagalanam, all people can afford. That's what is the maximum. Something like a motorcycle or a car, on the speedometer, they will put in 220 or 200 or 120 like that. You cannot go 120 speed or 250 speed. You will go just moderate. They will be putting the speed limits, 40, 50, 25, 70 and all like that. So that is safe and better. If you transgress that, and you have no permission to transgress, if at all you transgress, you will be in danger. Then it will be not green, it is red. So here also, beforehand it is fixed that rarely people live 120 years. 100 years itself is maximum. And but another secret is that you remember, nobody can completely complete the 7 graha dashas. He will either get out normally, Purna Isu, when it is a 6th dasha end or beginning of 7th dasha, they should prepare to leave the land. Prithvi is so beautiful, your relations are beautiful, your house is beautiful, your bedroom is beautiful, nothing. Time clicks, people, Yama will come and take us away. Therefore, we have to make necessary prayer to these grahas, in other words, to these gods, and they will be giving you. Now, today I have got to talk about the Chandra. So please repeat. All of you also repeat. I may not listen, but Chandra Graha will be listening, because Chandra is one who will be highly changing. He stays in each house of our horoscope, 12 houses, 2.5 days. So any cold or that cough and such problem comes, it will stay for 1 week. 3 rounds of the 3 houses he has to cross. The moment he crosses the 3rd house, 4th house he goes, whatever be, then your cold will disappear. That's why some doctors say, if you take medicine, the cold goes in 7 days. If you don't take medicine, the cold goes in 7 days. So it is for cold medicine is not much important. Now Chandra is a cold god in the sense that he is Amrita Kiranaha, he is called Sitamsuho, he is called Sudhamsuho, etc. Means that he is always making cool. That's the whole day. Our Surya Bhagavan is called Gharmamsu. He has got the heat rays. So energy, activity, and all that. But when night falls, Chandra will take hold. So the heat energy that is there whole day, that will be step down to cool energy. People hold umbrella only to the sunshine, but never for moonlight. If at all for moonlight, if you hold umbrella, they will say that you are a bedlam candidate. So patantena sarajyotsnam kon varayati. Nobody will try to avoid the moonlight falling on them. Please repeat. Om apyayasva.
Om apyayasva. Om apyayasva.
Sametu te vishvataha.
Sametu te vishwataha. Sametu te vishwataha.
Soma vrishniyam.
Soma vrishniyam. Soma vrishniyam.
Bhava vajasya sangathe.
Bhavavajasya sangate. Bhavavajasya sangate.
Apsume somo abravitu.
Apsume somo abravitu. Apsume somo abravitu.
Antarvishwani bheshaja bheshaji.
Antarvishwani veshaji. Antarvishwani veshaji.
Gauri mimaya salilani takshati.
Gauri mimaya salinani takshati. Gauri mirmaya salilani takshati.
Ekapadi dvipadi sa chatushpadi.
Ekapadi dvipadi sa chatushpadi. Ekapadi dvipadi sa chatushpadi.
Ashtapadi navapadi.
Ashtapadi navapadi. Ashtapadi navapadi.
Babhuvushi.
Bhabhuvushi. Bhabhuvushi.
Sahasrakshara parame vyoman.
Sahasrakshara parame vyoman. Sahasrakshara parame vyoman.
Om adhidevata pratyadhidevata.
Om adhidevata pratyadhidevata. Om adhidevata pratyadhidevata.
Ahitaya somaya namaha.
Sahitaya somaya namaha. Sahitaya somaya namaha.
Om atreyasaya vidmahe.
Om atresaya vidmahe. Om atresaya vidmahe.
Rohinisaya dhimahi.
Rohinishaya dhimahi. Rohinishaya dhimahi.
Tannasyandraha prachodayatu.
Tannaschandraha prachodayatu. Tannaschandraha prachodayatu.
So this is about the Chandra Graha Anugraha Aradhana. And you make a prayer in the beginning itself. Ye graha subhasthane sustitaha teshang grahanam atyanta subhaparavaptyartham. Ye graha subhetarasthane sustitaha teshang grahanam atyanta anukulyata siddhyartham. So this is what would happen. Those planets in our horoscope in good positions or in good houses, they should have better power. Those planets which are there, not favorable houses, in them, it's called not favorable houses, Chatru Kshetra. because even among the 9 planets, there are Shatrus who are each other, and there are Samas, and there are friends. So Samatva is there, friendship is there, and friendship in support, and there is enmity also there. So this is what, because when you are learning Navagraha Sukta or Nakshatra Sukta, you are also getting the knowledge of astrology. Everybody wants to know about themselves beforehand, because astrology is such a captivating subject that any and everything about the person or native is being predicted by the power of the knowledge of the astrologer in true sense. Now, this is because we are asking so Chandra Bhagavan to be present in all the sacrifices which you are doing. And there was a dialogue between Soma and Agni, and Soma and Agni, I mean water, both of them are permanent healers. And so Yajna is a healing gadget or a tool. If you perform Yajna, Yaga, Homa and all that, you will definitely get the results. And therefore, you see in the temples, quite now and then, one or the other Homa is undertaken, Sankalpa is being given, and people just go there. Why? Because Homa is intravenous injection, which will go directly into the blood and give you instantaneous relief and energy. So like that, the Homa is speed forced, that you will be able to invite the God relevant, offer him whatever is what, and when he has come down to you, to your sacrificial hall or to your house, then you start submitting the foremost desires of you, and then he will just say yes and go away. Look here, if you want to know the meaning, Soma Vrishniyam Vishwataha Apyayasva Samete Sametu and Vajasya Sangate Bhava Somaha Apsu Me Abravit and Antar Vishwani Bheshaja. Inside the water, there is the universal healing power. Bheshajihi. On the other hand, both water and Agni, both are healers. Both are giving you relief. Therefore, they are called Bheshaji. Bheshaj or Bhishak. So they are the doctors to give you balance. Now, again, there is a kind of compliment for the Gauri in knowledge, the earth, and so many meanings are there for the word Gauri. And Parvati, when you worship her as Gauri, most important as a Mangalya Devata, but there are many more things which are more critical for a woman than man. Man doesn't care. His style is different and his objects are different. But it is woman who has to be careful, caretaking, etc. Therefore, there is a prayer that Agni and Soma, they have to be properly appeased and nurtured and given all that. Then they will be looking after the life of persons. And again, the same thing is there. And we can go to next mantra, which is talking about the Kuja, whom we are talking about. And you know that Muthuswami Dikshitar, a great Bhagyayakara, a great Sri Vidyopasaka, etc. He also made, most of you know it, Navavarna Ivan and Navagraha Kirtanas are there. So the Navagraha Kirtanas of Muthuswami Dikshita is very, very popular, powerful, because he has got the Srividya Upadesha and he is specially given that kind of extra orientation. Anyway, come back here. So here there is a Gauri Mimaya, there is a Gauri who is to be revered, and that is mentioned here when you say the Gauri Mimaya Kastapadi Paramevyoman. Then we talk about the Adhidevata and Pratyadevata, superior god and the counter superior god, something like Narayana and Vishnu. That's why it is called Navapadi. You have to be keeping counting whether what is your the number of the planet that you are having. So here Gauri Mimaya, Mimaya is measuring. Salilani, the waters, and it keeps on doing japa. Ekapadi, Dipadi, Sa Chatushpadi, Ashtapadi, Navapadi, Babhushi. Padi means footstep. And that's why you got that Saptapadi in marriages and in court of law regarding the Hindu marriage. Saptapadi is the most important item. If Saptapadi Mangalya Dharana is over, then the marriage is registered and it is confirmed, and benefits are there, problems are also there. Now, Agnim cha Vishwashambhuvam Apascha Vishwabhesaji. The poet is telling not only even Agni is also included. Then the Brahmaras are included, and all that who are responsible to call themselves the Bhesajas, and they are requested by the devotee to give us prosperity. So Chandra Graha is important. I hope you could follow that. See, Antar Vishwani Bhesaja. Bhesaja is the medicine, which are normally medicine is not wanted to the body, but they give because of some number of reasons. And now let us recite Apsume Somo Abravitu.
Apsuye somo abravitu. Apsuye somo abravitu.
Antarvishwani Bhesaja.
Antarvishwani Vesaja. Antarvishwani Vesaja.
Antarvishwani Bhesaja. Agnim cha Vishwashambhuvam.
Agnim sha Vishwashambhuvam. Agnim sha Vishwashambhuvam.
Vishwa Apascha Vishwabhesaji.
Apasva Vishwabejahi. Apasva Vishwabejahi.
Gauri Mimaya. Gauri Mimaya.
Gauri Mimaya.
Salilani.
Gauri Mimaya.
Salilani Takshati.
Salilaya Takshati. Salilaya Takshati.
Salilani Takshati. Salilani is waters. Water is always Nitya Bahochananta. Is Sanskrit grammar. It's always as a plural employed. Waters. Therefore, we translate not simply water, we say waters. And this water, that is the milk that comes out, is watery and substantially muddy. And therefore, the idea is Bhava Vajasya Sangathe. Oh, Gaja, or the elephant, is a prayer for that. Then we have got Adhidevata, there is Adhidevata and Pratyadevata for this milk, and therefore we just make salute to them also. Now let's go to the Kuja. Om Agnir Murdha.
Om Agnir Murdha. Om Agnir Murdha.
Divakakutpatihi.
Diva Kakutpatihi. Diva Kakutpatihi.
Prithivya.
Prithivya. Prithivya.
Ayam.
Ayam. Ayam.
Apagum retagum sichinvati.
Apagam retagam sajinvati. Apagam retagam sajinvati.
Yona pruthivi.
Syona Prithvi. Syona Prithvi.
Bhavan rukshara nivesani. Sorry.
Bhavan Rukshara Nivesani. Bhavan Rukshara Nivesani.
Yacha nasharma.
Yachana Sharma. Yachana Sharma.
Sapratha.
Saprataha. Saprataha.
Kshetrasya patina.
Kshetrasya Patina. Kshetrasya Patina.
Vayagum hitene vajayamasi.
Vayagam Hiteneva Jayamasi. Vayagam Hiteneva Jayamasi.
Gamasvam poshayitva.
Kamaswam Poshayitva. Gamaswam Poshayitva.
Sano mrudati druse.
Sano Mrudati Drishe. Sano Mrudati Drishe.
Om adhidevata pratyadhidevata.
Om Adhidevata Pratyadhidevata. Om Adhidevata Pratyadhidevata.
Sahitaya angarakaya namaha.
Sahitaya Angarakaya Namaha. Sahitaya Angarakaya Namaha.
So today we covered Chandra and Kuja. It's called Agni. So who is this Chandra? The very word Chandra is Hiranyam. Cool, white, bright, perfection, and no contamination any and everywhere. So that's why soon after Surya Bhagavan, now there is a prayer for Chandra, is the next neighbor to Surya Bhagavan. Chandra is given to occupy the Karkataka, the 11th house of the counted from the 12th, which is taken as the so. Om Adhidevata Pratyadhidevata.
Om Adhidevata Pratyadhidevata.
Sahitaya
Hitaya
Angarakaya Namaha.
Orakaya Namaha. Angarakaya Namaha.
So today we stop here, and you please understand that we are requesting in the Chandra Vajasya Sangathe Bhava. Wherever sacrifices are taking place, you please stay there. you take hold of conducting the yajna, and that's why we are making a petition to Chandra. Vajasya Sangati means yajna. Through yajna, you have got number of benefits. And therefore, you say that where yajna has got, yajna can directly bless us whatever we want. Actually, if you ask Narayana, he has no desires. We have only desire. That's why the Brahmadeva tells you try to improve your own self by yourself, and you make the ritual with your own body, skin, and all like that. So here also, bhava vajasya sangate. That is, vajas sangate means when Purnahuti comes up, just at that hour, you have to offer pushpa or something like that. You cannot simply be idle. Just at least karpura, at least that must also be given. Om Swasti.
Om Swasti.
Sahana Vavatu.
O
Sahanau Bhunaktu.
Sahanau Bhunaktu.
Sahaviryankaravavahai.
Sahaviryam Karavavahaihi.
Yejasvinavadhitamastu.
Tejasvinamadhitamastu.
Yajasvinav. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Mama. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Harihi Om Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu.
Harihi Om Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu.
Veda Purusha Asirvadostu.
Veda Purushashirvadostu.
Om Tat Satu.
Om Tat Satu.
So anything you want to share, just you go on, having attended the class, you just read the relevant text and then reflect for some time, 5-10 minutes before, or because lest it should become vaporized. And as long as we are, I will explain you the mantras in the next class. The very appeal you do it is apyayasva. Apyayasva is such a beautiful verb. You be satisfied or contented with whatever amount or whatever object that I am going to offer to you, taking your name, Swaha, Om, Swaha. So thereby I understand Agni is a highly considerate God. So Apyayasva, Apyay. And moreover, Agni has got the character of Apyayamana Swabhava. Never Agni is ferocious for no reason. So he is always Apyayamana. So we make a prayer to Agni. And Agni becomes very cool in Chandra. So Chandra is the cool, most best cooling agent that we can afford to. Yes. And next, we will have a general lecture upon the rituals only. And they are the persistent solution to get rid of the diseases, all kinds of problems. Because, and Indra is guardian of that because he is a sacrificer. Because Indra is doing, all gods and planets, etc., will attend the sacrifice. So we are going to have a talk on rituals from a good Pandit. I think I sent the flyer for that in advance so that you can plan your calendar to keep yourself free and make yourself get up early. Because in Atlanta it is 10 o'clock, in Chicago or Central Time is 9 o'clock, whatever it is. Because there are 5 time zones here. So the timing has got to be accordingly adjusted. So anybody to ask me anything, Ma? Is it clear? Sridevi will have some doubts. She is not convinced, so I'm happy.
I have a question, sir.
Yeah.
When Bhagavad Gita, in 7th chapter, Jnana Vijnana Yogam, Bhagavan Krishna says, Antavant palam tesham tad bhavati alpamedasam devan devejo yanti adbhakta yanti mamapi. Because he said, when you are praying me, you don't need to, everything comes from me, whatever boons, whatever wishes I give, through me only it comes to all other gods, whichever god like Navagrahas you are praying. So can you please explain to me?
Yeah, it's beautiful. He is a super, Paramatma is highest. To reach Paramatma, there should be many people to help us to go to him. So it's all a administration hierarchy. Therefore, Agni, Indra, Vayu, all these gods are periodically helping your attempts to reach up the ultimately goal. You cannot suddenly go because Krishna is so busy that he cannot take care of everything, though he has given you the promise that ultimately he will appear. Only when the crisis is really problematic, then the avatars will come up. Yada yada hi dharmasya glanir bharata abhyuttanam adharmasya tadatmanam sujamyaham, which means that he will not be present with us every minute that we are living in our life. There are so many other chota mota forces who will come to our help and see that we cross over the difficulties. Sutarasi tarase namaha karma phaleshu jushtam. So Durga Parameswari, an executive head, she's a work inspector. So ultimately, Durga is an executive head, whereas Lalita Parameswari is sitting in the chambers ultimately. Therefore, every time, whenever there is a dukkha, you have to remember yada dukkham tada Durga Ambikam smara. Like that, Krishna says, ultimately, I am there. But before that, there are so many forces who have to help us. Therefore, all these grahas are the more popular in the Puranic times. Therefore, that statement and this statement, they are all they are on one line only because all this is important. Navagraha, and moreover, all people said they. I mean, if there is a Devata Anugraha, I mean Krishna Anugraha, all grahas will be accepting you to promote because the grahas are, after all, they are there to do the administration job at various levels. And ultimate, that's why Ramanugrahame, Grahabalameni, Ramanugrahabalame Balamo, Narayana Balame Balamo. That is ultimate, but these things are very much necessary that we have to be keeping on doing all these things so that ultimately we get empowered and we reach up the higher heights. Something like a ladder, I think, which has got so many steps to reach up the height, top of the building. And Bhagavad Gita is later on, is Upanishad. And this Navagraha is before Bhagavad Gita. And moreover, whenever these grahas come into being, the mantras to the grahas are Veda mantras only, drawn from the various Veda Samhitas. And therefore, if you make prayer to these grahas, it is as good as making prayer to the Vedic gods who are once again activated into the present context and help you to push our problems away and make ourselves removed of the sin and other things. Become Vajasya Sangate Bhava. Vaja is the yajna. Vaja is the gift articles. So whenever you want to get one or the other articles and make yourself richer, comfortable, goes in life, who should be your associate, Chandra should be associate. That's why it is a Hiranya. And so everything is a connected program. I think we should understand that Krishna, when he said like that, he is ultimate God. It's not easy for everybody to entrust any and everything upon God and keep on doing all unwanted things also. No, that sattva guna vruddhi should be there, while rajoguna and tamoguna will be very much in high percentage in all people. I don't know, I'm answering your question, but these are all necessary for the journey of our life.
Thank you.
And yeah,
Thank you, Guruji.
Thank you, Guruji. Thank you.
Thank you, Guruji.
namaste. Thank you. We meet.
Bhagavan.